kanina. Do you have a mutual understanding ba daw? Kasi daw magka-hug kayo sa bus. On your way to Albay. O kasi syempre, alam naman natin bagets pa, pero di ba, cute-cute lang naman yun, kahit naman mga may crush-crush. So, MU daw ba kayo? Do you understand? Do you have a mutual understanding na ba daw? Kay you and Ilona?
Mutual friends.
Mutual understanding.
Mutual? When you have a mutual friend, we understand each other.
I mean, do you have a special feeling for each other?
I guess I have.
Kasi
yeah.
you were so sweet daw on your way to Albay. You were hugging each other.
So you just fell asleep.
We were so tired.
Wait,
kasi
magpapaliwanag si Ilona.
we were so tired because we were just like really tired. You know how long the trip was, like 10 hours or something. So we were just really tired. So we were just like, okay, you know what, let's just sleep. So then we were just like, yeah, guys.
Pero kasi baka hindi nila alam, di ba kasi lahat tayo nanonood, pinag-prepare natin si Bailey at si Ilona may Bailona, ganyan, di ba? Ay, wait lang. Ito daw yung picture.
I've seen it already.
Ayan, sinong ko lang. Ito po yung picture na, sinasabi. Oh! Oh, explain again.
Wala.
Ano ba sasabi mo?
Wala.
Bailey,
Wala.
ikaw na lang mag-explain, Bailey.
Basically what she said a minute ago. I think because it was a 10-hour journey, right? So we just collapsed on each other. You know?
Ano? Ah! Your girlfriend daw. Sila daw yung girlfriends mo. They are your girlfriends. They love you.
I love them.
Pero feeling ko kasi, di ba tayo nanonood tayo ng BBC, pinaglalapit natin sila. Pero are you aware that you are being paired in your love?
Where?
The viewers, they think you are in love with each other. Kaya nakikita nyo lahat ng mga banners by Bailona because in the outside world, love team na kayong dalawa. You are a love. Are you aware?
Yeah, I'm aware. There was a massive banner at the big night.
Yes.
It was absolutely
Massive banner.
It was like the size of that. It was massive.
Basahin mo, can you read that?
Oh, go take him. Go. My Bailey, go.
Kasi nagpa-flash mo, Baz, akin lang si Bailey.
No, if you guys want Bailey, go take him! For sale! For free!
For
No
free.
price, for free! Come!
Franco, ano masasabi mo sa dalawang to? Meron ka bang may share sa amin na hindi namin napanood? Ano sila inside the house na hindi namin napanood?
Inside that.
Silang dalawa.
Siguro po. Hindi. Palagi po silang nag-aabulan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
O palagi na naghahabulan, no? Nga nakikita nga namin yun.
Nagkikilitian, gano'n.
Nagkikilitian.
Minsan nagtatampuhan.
Pero wait lang ha. Alam ko, Chips, natanong na ito ng ilang beses sa'yo, pero pagbigyan natin si @bebang_16, ano to yung feeling mo na ikaw yung naging big win?